What's going on, guys? It's your boy Eddie back with another video this weekend. Hope you guys had a great week. I've had a pretty good week. My week actually went by pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. So today's Friday, and you know, the usual, gotta go wash the car. Not sure if this weekend's gonna be clear or if it's gonna rain, but I have a couple plans for this weekend, and so I need to wash the car. I'm gonna do a couple things to it. I don't have much to do this weekend, and I can't think of much that I can do, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a review on the paint pen to fix scratches on your car, because I want to see if that works. And this car has a lot of scratches, and I kind of want to fix them. So instead of going ahead and wrapping the whole car or painting it, I'm gonna try that first, and then I'm gonna try wrapping it or painting it, because I still want to wrap the car, but right now it'd be cheaper to just try out that pen than to go out and buy some wrap. Let's get started. Alright, so before I get to any later, I'm just gonna go ahead and order the oil level sensor for the Beamer. I don't think it'll be here this weekend. Might do it sometime during the week, but yeah, I need to get that ordered. I mean, I don't know how much oil I have in the car. I put a quart a while back, but I don't know if it's burned it, or I don't know if it hasn't burned any. That's not good. I need to know my oil level. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Just get that taken care of, get that out of the way for the weekend, and should be it. Alright guys, just got done washing the car, but it got dark really quick, so I'm just gonna pick it up tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's a new day. So I didn't pick up that pen yesterday, but I'm gonna go pick that up right now. There was another thing I was gonna go pick up, but I forgot what it was. Hopefully I remember. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick cold start. Got a quick drink to start off the day. This is a cucumber lime. I've actually never tried this flavor, so I hope it's good. It better not be whack. Sounds good. I like lemon and cucumber, but I mean, I've tried the Gatorade. That was pretty good, but you know, first try. Does not taste like lemon and cucumber. Yeah, it does not taste anything like lemon and cucumber. Alright guys, so since I couldn't find the paint pen that I needed for the car at either O'Reilly's or AutoZone, I just came here to True Value, and I'm going to get all the screws that I need to fix the air ducts that are under the hood for the vents inside the car, because I don't know why, but the last person who had it seemed to really fuck shit up down there, and they broke all of the plastics for the air that runs to the inside of the car. Forgot what it's called, so don't hate. But yeah, I'm just gonna go inside and get some screws, because the ones that were for the car were all stripped. They don't grab anything anymore. So I'm just gonna get some oversized screws, so then I could just hold everything down, and that should fix that. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fix my headlights, because they're all foggy anyways. They're all foggy and ugly, so I'll just fix my headlights. Alright, now I'm headed to Walmart. I'm gonna go get the sandpaper and the clear coat paint for the headlights. Right now, sandpaper, clear coat, and I think that's it. Alright, so now off to Home Depot, because they did not have the sandpaper I needed here at Walmart. So, Home Depot. Alright, so if you guys are like on a budget of like 10 bucks, I wouldn't recommend you guys doing this, because I just spent like almost 20 bucks just to fix my headlights. So I mean, it's not much, but you know, I thought I was gonna spend maybe, you know, 10 bucks, maybe 15, but no, I'm like at 20 bucks. So unless you guys have some of this stuff already, or if you just don't really care, don't have a budget, then yeah, you can go for it. But if you guys are on a budget of like 10 bucks, not a good idea. Had to stop by for a water real quick because still thirsty, and that thing was freaking nasty. Like, I've never eaten ass before, but I think I'd rather eat ass than keep drinking that thing. That's how bad it was. Water for the win. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. So let's get that fixed. I think it'd be better if I bought an aftermarket intake because all these things are loose. I don't think that's normal. Alright, so since it's really windy and I know this camera is really bad with wind, I'm just gonna do a before and after and do everything like as quickly as I can. And then I'll show you guys a little bit in between. But like I said, you probably won't be able to hear me, so you'll probably just listen to music. Yeah, that'll work.
When does this happen in the movie?
Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
Everything about you. Everything about you. Like where you at.
Alright guys, so I kind of give up because it's really windy and the wind picked up even more, and so I hope it's not windy tomorrow. So we'll give this another shot tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'll go do right now. Got some stuff to go take care of. So catch you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? Today's Sunday. So today's actually a lot nicer than it was yesterday. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start on that other headlight. I drove around last night and I got in front of a few windows, and you could tell that it is a little bit brighter. Like I said, today's not that bad of a day, so let's get this started. Alright, so yesterday I cut a really big piece of this, so today I'm gonna try to measure it differently. See if maybe I can get it a little closer this time. I have everything else here. Bonds plastic. This is what I got. If you guys wanna try it, I got it at Walmart. It's like $3. And then I didn't tell you guys what grit I got, but I got 1500 grit sandpaper. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up today. Not too shabby. This light, I don't know what happened there. It got really messed up, but I'll try again another day. Alright guys, so my headlights didn't come out the best, I'm not gonna lie. But then again, I'm not a painter. I've never really painted, and so therefore, you know, my clear coats are not going to be even, they're not going to be, you know, perfect. But if you guys have better experience painting or spraying, especially with spray can, then I'm pretty sure your guys' headlights will come out a lot better. But mine, I did the sanding process, and once I sprayed them on, they didn't turn out that bad. So if you guys like the video, give me a like. Tell me down in the comment section below what you thought of it. Remember to subscribe for more content. Lots of stuff is coming for the BMW, guys. Coilovers, wheels, you already know, guys. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.